Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Huntington Commercial Bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Huntington Commercial Bank is a mobile banking app designed for commercial account holders at the Huntington National Bank. The app allows users to view deposit and savings account balances, monitor credits and debits, transfer funds between accounts, access the payment center, approve transactions, and manage positive pay controls. It supports secure biometric login and is available on iOS and Android. The app's main features include visibility into commercial account structure such as subaccounts or aggregated balances, transaction alerts, mobile access for approvals, and on-the-go oversight of funds movement. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's ability to provide high-level cash flow visibility for businesses, real-time data on balances and debits, and the convenience of handling approvals remotely. For business administrators, the ability to manage liquidity and transactions via mobile is a clear benefit. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report that certain features, such as mobile check deposit or advanced cash management tools, may not be available in the commercial version or may require enrollment in additional services. For example, works very well except I cannot deposit checks, which is a big handicap. Also, as with many enterprise banking apps, usability may depend on account type, user permissions, and internal bank setups. In summary, the Huntington Commercial Bank app may be worth using if your organization requires mobile visibility and control over commercial accounts, approvals, and funds movement. However, if you require full mobile deposit capabilities, extensive financial control tools, or integration with external systems, you may find the app somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.